Now today I am going to be discuss very important fellowship which is launched by the DSTs. That is the name of fellowship is Vaishvik Bharatiya Vaigyanik Fellowship. This is the second cycle of first call. So here the last date for applying this fellowship is 15th March 2024. So Government of India had organized this Vaishvik Bharatiya Vaigyanik Summit to connect the Indian Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics, and Management Diaspora. Diaspora is the Indian who is migrated from outside from the Indian territory, and this particular proposal is the proposal for the scientist who is taking fellowship from right, who is taking the fellow, right, and this particular person must be NRI, OCI, and PIO. NRI stand for non-resident Indian, and PIO means persons of Indian origins, and OCI means overseas Indian citizens. Ship. So, if anyone is having this kind of things, they are eligible for applying these particular web fellowships. So here the web fellowships you can apply. Now you can see that. So here it is a collaboration between the scientists of Indian Diaspora with the Indian host institutions, and that is HEI University and public funded scientific institutions. So what the maximum fellowship they will receive? So fellowship is around 4 lakh rupees, minimum 1 month or maximum 2 month per year for the period of 3 years, and international travel for the place of work in the parent institutions to place the work in Indian and business once in years, and fully furnished accommodations in the guest house and hotels you will receive of up to 7,500 rupees per day. Contingency is 1 lakh rupees per year for the research expenditure in the India. So if you see what is the like institution financial supports. So in the editions like Web of Fellow, financial support is up to 5 lakhs per year for the 3 years. So you can utilize this fund for consumable and accessories, contingency and institution overhead. So if you see, if any institutions want to be the host institutions, then registration of PFMS, Public Fund Management System, is mandatory for the all host institutions. If your institution is not is not having PFMS account, you have to have a minimum Darpan ID. So Darpan ID is essential for all the host institutions who is allowing to give the web of fellowships. So expect what is the expectation from the web of fellowship is that sharing the best practices on the research and translation of research incubations, build long-term connection with the Indian student and foreign facilities, faculties and scientists. So new approach to research the process and of futuristic technologies. What is the expectation from the host institutions? It is mentioned over there. So host institution will start project technology or startup which should be aligned with the national priority. Like would collaborate the web fellow during visit and continuous further interaction, right? So here you can see right, these are the titles where you can write the proposal. All these titles are there, right? Latest titles are there, you can go through the titles, right? This is the titles, and this is the eligibility criteria for the applicants. Please go and study, and this is the eligibility for the host institutions. What are the documents you need to be prepared? So maximum 7 page biodata, list of publications, copy of certificate, highest educations, copy of passports, copy of you belong from OCI, PIO card or work visa, undertaking of applicant and the host to prescribed formats, no objection certificate, consent letter, bio data, all these things are required. How to apply? You have to go and log in and create the DST account, and you have to submit the proposal based on the formats. So all the last date is your 23rd of January. So these all are mandatory things you need to be submit once, right? And here you can see these are the biodata for performer. These are the performer for biodata, right? You need to fill the undertaking form for host scientist, and you take the signatures. This is the consent letters. So all these things you need to fill, and please submit on before 20. That that particular date, right? So March is the last date. So hope